Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I am doing a really quick Christmas card, although it takes a bit of time to do the die cutting, but hopefully this will give you a good idea. I'm using Spellbinders, Simon Says Stamps Emboss. This was the embossing folder and die cutting die, so there was a coordinating die that came with this one in one of the kits. And this is, what is this one called? Bundled Up. It's right there. And then this is the new for, what are we in? July 2025 Spellbinders Large Die of the Month. So this is the Large Die of the Month, and this is called, if I get the little bits of paper out, Mugs and oh, right, try that again. Words are difficult today. Mugs and Mittens. Holy guacamole. Anyway, so this is basically what we're going to make today. And yes, quick cards are not my forte, clearly. So, and those are the dies that we're going to use today. So I've done a lot of prep work. I have an 8.5 by 4 1/4, no, 8.5 by 5.5. It's been a while, guys. This is I think this is Schoolhouse Red. It was a note card that came in a Simon Says card kit a little while ago, and so I just scored and folded it in half. Then I have my embossed piece that I used the embossing folder on, and I used some shimmer cardstock that I believe is a Tonic Studios cardstock. So it's just a white shimmer. I just thought it was something in the background, just for a little bit of something. So I'm going to get that stuck on. If I can. Straight to the front of the card. No fuss. These are easy cards. When you've got a lot of Christmas cards or winter cards or whatever celebration, birthday cards, whatever it is, and you've got lots of them, it's good to sort of keep them simple. It makes it much easier for you. Less stress and all that. And there's some ooze. Glue ooze. So let me, that should be okay. Then what we have are the components from the card kit. So there are two wiggly dies that create this little like steam. The steam for the to come off out of the mug creates the mug, which I've put some hot cocoa in. You get these little mini dies. Now you could make little tags out of these, they're so cute. So I did the Santa, but there's a snowman and there's also a snowflake in that die set. So that's super cute. And then you get the hands with the mittens on them, not the kittens or whatever else I said earlier. So there's a lovely little pattern here. So there's a different colour cardstock underneath so the pattern shows through, but it looks like a little quilted jersey or jumper. So what I want to do is I'm going to add these to the bottom of my card. Do I want to pop them up? I think I do actually. No, let's keep it flat. Right. For simple. We're going for easy and simple. So I'm going to line that one up about there. I'm not going to stick it down completely just yet. I want to get the other one in place. First, so that they're somewhat even on here. And I've just lined up the edge of the jumper on the edge of the card so they can go there. Nice. Just want to see, oh, might need to get an acrylic block out so hot here, guys. It's ridiculous. So that's going to go there. I think that'll tuck in nicely. Let me just grab a block. Let's just do that for a second, just to let the paper bond. While it's doing that, I'm just going to add the Santa to this. No, I'm not, because I want to know where this is going to... Oh, I can see it there. So just adding him to the front of the, or into the mug. Can you imagine if you went to a coffee shop and they put this kind of decoration on the coffee or the cocoa? That'd be amazing. Amazing. Right. So then I'm going to just stick the mug to the little hands, like so. There's no right or wrong, just get it stuck on. Woo! Try not to move too many of the elements. Everything moved. Right, and then the steam, which is essentially what this is, I'm just going to stick just coming out from behind. We'll have to trim some of this off anyway, so I'm just going to pop that kind of like that. And there's quite a bit of ooze on the back, but it's fine. And then last but not least, we have our little sentiment, which is warm cocoa wishes, which I think is so cute. And I'm just going to pop that somewhat straight at the top here. I say somewhat because, well, you guys know. It's so hot that everything is moving, which is not what I want. So that is it, guys. Very easy card. Like I say, it takes a little bit of time just to get the die cutting done, but once the die cutting's done, it's super simple to put together. Oh, it moved again. But there you go. Quick, simple, easy to put together Christmas card. So I hope you enjoyed this. Stick around because there'll be more of the club kits. So I've got some more ideas for like quick and simple cards again. And yeah, until next time, see you then. Bye.